Not getting results on Tinder is a skill issue. As you can see from my two pictures that I shown up on my screen, like getting the results on Tinder is pretty much just between you and yourself. I don't believe in that shit that this is the propaganda from Reddit, like, you know, that you cannot find love on Tinder, you cannot find... Okay, maybe with love it might be a little stretched. But certainly, like, you can have fun on Tinder and you can be very successful on Tinder. Today, I'm gonna show you how. I'm not gonna act like some crazy guru and like saying that all that, because to be honest, bro, if there is one single thing that I want you to get from this video, is just to get fucking better. And no matter what you do, what autistic steps you want to like apply, there is no cheat codes in that. Like, your input on Tinder, your results on Tinder are based off your other results in life. So if you're fucking shit in life, bro, you're gonna have shit results, and I'm not gonna change it. So just bear that in mind before you comment and like blame me that no, I haven't like said anything new. I haven't like, bro, you've got to understand that you're gonna first need to work on yourself to then have results like mine, for example. If you wanna be smooth with girls, you gotta be presentable, you gotta represent something. And you gotta just fucking, no, be good, be fucking cutthroat man. Like, there is a lot of competition, but I'm one of them. Cut to the chase, also I'm like moving home in 1 hour after recording this video. Actually, I'm so hyped about it. This will be the, factually, the last video you see me on this like scenery, you know? So keep that in mind. It's gonna be huge in like canon event, you know. But just look better, bro. I cannot phrase this better. Like, as you can see from my profile, like anything I got going on for me, like, is I'm 200 centimeters tall, like 2 meters. Okay, you can say shit like that's easier if you're like tall like me, but I can actually speak. I cannot speak about for guys who are like 160, 170, like, I feel sorry for you, bro. You've got to work like either way. But being this tall, I'm getting into this like field of being too tall almost, because there are girls who fetishizes this, and this is also a tip for you. If you are very tall, just play on that card, bro. But with like 2 meters tall and above, you are getting into this like too high territory. Like, you might be very niche for some girls. They might fuck with you like from the start, but for some girls, like, you are too tall. But as you can see, my profile is like, the first photo is like me just fucking like on the gym shooting like the photo of fucking my physique. It's like I'm covering the half of my face. It's not even visible, like there is no lightning game, like that's just a regular fucking photo, you know? The second one is just like that's an actual good photo of mine that I like, with a smile, with my face, like with my eyebrows trimmed, with my mousse trimmed. Like, this one is actually nice, but the third one, bro, it's all blurry. Like, I'm in a club, I'm playing like on a decks. What do I mean by that? You don't have to fucking like you see this gay advice on the internet that you have to do like the photo shoot and do like your photos have to look professional. No, bro. Just pick the photos where you look sexy, where you look busy, where you look like you are like mysterious, kind of like doing something different than sitting on the computer. I made this community where I'm also gonna be breaking down like specific examples that I cannot go into more detail here. But just trust me on that, bro. Just appear cool. Like, don't be a fucking this guy who just posts himself with a cat or something. Just don't be fucking lame, bro. And the quality of the pictures, like, you see, like here on the first picture on the left, there is like this whole shade covering, like I have this sign on the bottom, like, nobody gives a fuck, bro. Nobody. Even I would argue, if the photo is like more raw, like you just shot it, like, nobody fucking cares, bro. It's even better in my opinion. So, creating a profile, bro, just pick some pictures where you look sexy, where you look busy, and don't be a fucking softly, like, depending on your choice, really. If you're looking for someone soft, also okay. I'm not targeting that. But don't appear like a bitch, bro. This is like my main advice is just don't be a bitch, bro. And this is trust me, like the photos are the most important, and this is what I mean by you don't have really much to change. Like either you are fine, like, or you're just weak. When I'm swiping girls, bro, I'm not looking at their bio. I'm not looking fucking what they're. No, sometimes I'm looking what they're listening, but if the pictures aren't cool, if like she ain't bad, like I just swipe away, bro. I just swipe away. Nobody sexy reads your bio, and this is fucking true. Like I don't have to really talk about it more. Just don't fucking write your bio. Nobody fucking cares, bro. What I have in my bio is actually my height, double included, because like why not? I might just as well. Some dumb line like is you freaky? And some this prompt, like if you know Polish, it makes sense, but this is basically like as tits, and this rhymes in Polish. So as tits and gothic style, like I don't know, I don't know how to translate it, but this is like some fucking stupid shit, bro. To be honest, I don't care. Nobody cares. Nobody reads that shit. And if they read, they are gonna making comment on that. So make it like if you're looking for like freaky girls, like if you're looking for short-term fun, which is literally described on the right. Like, dude, make it obvious, bro. Like, make it obvious. You are here for a reason. I hate fucking these guys who are just playing it safe and just like not risking. Because, like, who the fuck cares, bro? It works like a funnel in sales. You have to funnel first who you are interested in, and then see if someone is not vibing with you, if someone isn't as direct as you want it to be. Like, for example, I want people to be direct with me. Like I want the girls to be direct with me. So if someone isn't fucking with me like from the start, like okay, go next, bro. Go next. It's easy to say because you're 6'7" or 200 centimeters, like I am in Europe. Okay, I have this privilege. Like, what can you do about it? Like complain? It's not gonna change your height, you know. Like I feel sorry. Not really. But if you are just short, you have to find like other things to go for yourself. I also always used to be fat, like I easily gain weight. And I'm not walking around just talking, oh, you fucking like slim people, you have it so easy. No, bro, I just lost weight. I just eat less. So just fucking like, find like, girls aren't looking for your story. Like, they look at the final product. So nobody fucking cares, bro. Just eat it up. Nobody cares what you have to say until they do. This is actually pretty ambiguous, I would say, because this is the skill that you might need to obtain, because the dating on Tinder really differs from like a normal interaction. On Tinder, your responses don't really matter much until you meet. Like you just say shit to not scare away the second person. Like you really need to be ambiguous and vague. Like you don't want to like say in the first like 1, 2, 3 messages, you don't want to bore them out. You want to like spark a little interest and then meet. Then you can talk if you vibe. Like okay, do your stuff, bro. Like everyone has a different method. The certain work better, certain work. Like this is really personalized. So that should be a different video of its own. But basically, treat the talking like stage, the messaging stage, as a must, not as a like fucking. Don't go on with notifications. Don't be a notification man and just respond to girls and like okay, and be afraid of fucking asking them out. Of this idea of maximum 3 texts or 4 texts, and you ask her IG, and like then you must go out, because if not, like it's over. No, bro. Every situation is different. I had girls message me first. I had girls that invite me on a date. That I had girls like reject me. Like I had multiple different situations, and from experience, I can comfortably say that you need to handle each and every situation differently, because you might be surprised. So, but don't be invested. Like until you meet this girl, just treat her like a pixels, you know. And she's treating you like that as well, if not even worse. Like So just respond some shit, just arrange a date, preferably like coffee date or go for a beer, go for a walk, anything like that. You can meet on the at yours place or hers place at the like on the first date, but that's like more advanced. But really, don't fucking spew your details, like nobody fucking cares, bro. And you will quickly, if you're gonna do that, you'll quickly see why I'm saying this, because I have my experience and I know what I'm talking about. This goes also to the emoji method. So the first message, always say some dumb shit or like just so like I see people like using gifs. I don't like that. I just send emoji or like one word, two words, like something so random. Because if you like see on the example on the left, if I sometimes like I get messages like when I swipe right on someone I shouldn't have, let's say just like that. I got these messages like from girls, first messages, and like this is wall of text, and like, hi, I just wanted to say hi because I think you're really cute, but nobody fucking reads that, bro. You need to be not mysterious, but like interesting, like appear interesting, and you need to be quick. If they are liking you, they are gonna respond positively. If you are not like if you won't fuck it up, they are gonna fuck with you, and if not, you cannot really like make this up. So the like messaging step is just a facade, you know? Like you see on the screen here, going over my one word method I sent, translating to English. I said on the right, said she is sexy. She said you. I said me, question mark, and she said yes. We went on from there. Like I said, if you want more details, join my community, join my course, bro. You're not gonna regret it. But basically, you send some shit like first things that comes to my mind. If you feel like complimenting a girl that like she's fine as fuck, like go ahead. Just don't overdo it. Like don't appear like a tryhard, you know. Just message like okay, so like sexy, like a retard, you know. And this works the best. This is like proven year by year by year, and it still works, bro. This is still the best method, like in my opinion. Yeah, as I said, messaging is pointless. Basically, you're not gonna increase attraction from messaging. You're gonna track it down, and you can fuck up by messaging the wrong messaging for wrong amount of time, in the wrong style. Like the girl is, for example, like really direct with you, and you are like pushing out. You're gonna just lose from messaging too much, and this is regardless of situation. So just go meet and then go from there, see if it's worth it. And you're gonna, of course, like if you are watching this video, if you are on this channel, you are supposed to be busy. So just be fucking busy and don't waste time scrolling on Tinder all day, like clicking like, oh, I got the message, I got the message. No, bro, no. This is not about it. In sales, good close rate is around 20 to 30%. So that means if you message 10 girls and out of these 10 girls, only 2 respond or like you going even further, like you fuck them or like go on a date with them. This is already pretty good, bro. Two girls, like four girls out of 20. And this is not hard, like honestly. So my advice for you, really, 2 things. The first one is obviously like work on yourself, and as I said on the start of the video, this is not gonna be some bullshitting, some like beating around the bush like, oh, you gotta include this in your profile. No, bro, it won't work. It honestly won't work. There is no like secret cheat code. Like you just gonna have to look good, have like a fuckable physique, like appear busy and like present yourself in a good way, like be an interesting person, and I can guarantee you success. If you don't suck with women, which I will also be treating like in a different videos, but you need to just fucking look good, bro. That's all. And just you know how I always say to just show up and do the work, like regardless, and like do the at least like 1 beat a day, and you will see effects. And you see on my socials, on my like everything, I have effects with that. And also like you get the match, like you get 3, 4, 5 matches, like even 10 a day. Just message them, like if you find them attractive, just message them shit, you know. and it doesn't cost anything, and you are getting reps. If you have like a lot of time on your hands, I don't, for example, so I'm really like picky whenever I go on a date, because like I have to make the content, I have to make music, like basically all that shit. So I'm really like cautious with my time, and I treat it like a fair share of experiences like in the past. So I don't need to train as much. But if I were you, if I weren't this advanced, like I would just go on the dates and like see what fucking happened. Like even if I'm not that interested, like I remember when I was in high school, I just went out, like and I was like on a on a dates with pretty girls, like with less pretty girl, but I had fun with that, you know. I just went for a coffee. I just went for like here there. I just enjoyed like I enjoyed the company of those girls, and I learned a lot, because you can, if you're really like putting your mind into it and not just like thinking with your dick, you start to understand things. So this is my recommendation, actually, to just fucking go and try, bro. Ain't nobody else that gonna do it for you. So this is everything, bro. Just fucking text her. Your homework for today is message at least 3 or 5 of your matches, and try to do it every single day. To make a routine for yourself, to just go on, like set the time when you have like spare 15 minutes, just scroll and fucking like swipe right, and then message your matches, and you're done. And then maybe like check the messages in the evening. I can guarantee if you look good, you're gonna have great results with this. And anyone that's saying that Tinder does not work and Tinder is like cruel, and no, they are fucking like, I don't believe them, bro. And you shouldn't as well. Don't look to blame others for your mistakes. If you enjoyed this video, if you like more specific breakdowns on our topic, like of music, gym, girls, Tinder, like anything like this, but more like brutal, in depth, more autistic, check my community, bro. You won't regret it. I honestly think that's a steal for this amount of content. Like, I'm not saying shit, bro, but just look the first link in my bio. That's all from me today. I'm gonna go move my shit to a different apartment. See you there. Bye bye.